And this question is given that a body on the equator weighs 3/5 of its original weight. What is angular speed of Earth? So we can take the equation for acceleration due to gravity at a latitude theta, that is equal to g naught minus r omega square into cos square theta. And we know that at equator the value of theta is equal to 0. So the value of cos 0 is equal to 1, or the value of cos square 0 is equal to 1. So you can write g at an angle theta is equal to g naught minus r omega square. So in this question it is given that weight of body is 3/5 of its original weight. So if the weight is decreases by 3/5 of its original value, that means acceleration due to gravity is also going to decrease by 3/5 times. So we can write the value of g naught minus 3g naught divided by 5 is equal to r omega square. So 5 minus 3 we can take it as 2g naught divided by 5 is equal to r omega square. So we can find out the value of omega, that is equal to 2g naught divided by 5r. Now we can substitute these values, that is under root of 2 into g we can take it as on the surface as 10. 5 into r we can take it as nothing but 6,400 kilometers, so into 10 raised to 3. So this can be cancelled, this 0 and this 0. So this can be written as under root of 2 divided by 5 into 64 into 10 raised to 4. So we can cancel this 2 and 64. This is going to be 32. So under root of 1 divided by 5 into 32 into 10 raised to 4. This can be written as 32 can be further written as 5 into 32 can be written as 16 into 2 into 10 raised to 4. So we can write this 5 into 2 is nothing but 10. So this is under root of 1 divided by 16 into 10 raised to 5, or 10 raised to 4 into 10. Now we can take it as 1 root of 1 is 1, root of 16 is nothing but 4, root of 10 raised to 4 is nothing but 10 raised to 2 divided by 1 divided by root of 10. And the root of 10, that we can take it as 1 divided by 3.16. So if you are multiplying all these things, you are going to get the answer as 0.0791 into 10 raised to minus 2, or which can be written as 7.9 into 10 raised to minus 4, or we can take it as nearer to 7.8 into 10 raised to minus 4.